the car now. We're going to the airport. We're when we're in the airport. We're here and we're about to go.
Bye-bye, baby! Uy, magbayad ka muna. Uy, wait na.
Bye-bye.
Uy, ano ba?
Oh my God.
Great.
I'm so excited to go to Philippines. Are you Filipino? Kamusta? Oh my God. Like,
Do we have
do
something?
you have what?
Do we leave something there?
What?
Something? We left something?
My labubu!
In the house?
Yes, it's in the house.
Bong!
See? Thank you for the times because of our hey. I make a mistake. I'm so excited to go to the Philippines. If you're Filipino. Kamusta ka?
Ingat kayo!
Ingat!
You say thank you. Thank you!
Salamat. What?
You, ano?
Oh my. Look. Oh
Bye-bye!
my God, oh my God. Look at my makeup. Okay. Shout out to my classmate. Okay.
Proceed. You did not bring her this.
She keeps on commenting on my videos. And I can't wait. And I did aquarium one.
Ito kasi, naganda ka kasi, nakakaya tuloy.
I don't want to. Okay, let's go inside.
Dito ba ang ano?
My God, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Wait, I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna show Daisy. La 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 la. Daisy, look. Oh my God, that's so cool. Carry it. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited to go to the airport. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. OMG. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video first. Play it again. I was just taking photos. Okay, let's just walk. Walk. Oh my God, look up there. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait for it. Okay. I think we gotta wait. I think it's going to take a long time. It's been like, oh my God, 3 minutes. Okay, but I need to pause. Okay, bye. Guys, we're going now. For real, look. Yeah. Let's just wait. I'll do it off camera. The line is so long. We have to wait for a long time. My phone's going to be low, but so I'll just off the video and then just wait. Guys, we're almost there. Okay, let's just wait. Guys, we're almost literally there. We're almost there, and then I'm off the camera. Then we wait. Guys, we're back and we're at the place. And then we just wait. Oh my God, this is so... Oh my God, I'm going to miss my family. And also, I have a dog and a cat, maybe. I just can't wait to go to the airport. so slowly.
Okay na.
I can't believe it. I'm so happy. La la la. I don't want my phone to get low because this is going to take a long time.
Kasi sabi nila, pag single ticket lang, hindi na kailangan. Kailangan pa din. Ah.
Now for the certificate reader. Before I remember this place, so I don't know what's going to happen here. Guys, I don't know what happened to the video. It just off itself, but anyway, let's pause it still. Hi guys, again, we're going now. Now I can't sit there. Where? La la la. I'm so excited to go to. We're going to Manila first. Manila. I'm so excited. Oh my god. What's that up here? Called.
Ano mo ng yelo? Kasi lang yung yelo. Ay na. Kanina ka lang.
I'm just trying to stream and to read a book. Now I am a kind of we have
Ito ba yun? Saan ba dito?
wait. Okay, bye. I would pause it. Guys, I'm back. We're going so excited. It's like, I don't know what time it is. It's 3 a.m. or 2. Hey, let me carry that. I wanna.
May hinihingi na mag-visit ng state.
Let's go.
Ano yung ano mo? Mauna ka.
Let's go.
Wala naman sinabi.
Oh, why is it blurry? Oh,
Lalaki ba yung sa inyo?
no. Oh, why is it blurry? Oh yeah, it's good.
At saka sinabi naman ng lalaki, I don't
Panic bunny stage.
Madam, no trolley?
Let's go. Go! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm going to edit this cut.
Pagka hiningi tayo mamaya, awayin natin. Hindi naman kami mag-visit ng lalabas.
So maganda yung Pilipinas.
Munti nga mo yung ano natin. Saan ang immigration? Ah, hindi, immigration ako.
Daisy. Daisy is this man.
Nalilito lang tayo.
Oh my god, so excited. I can't even imagine it.
Itong bag niya to, kung saan na nakarating, go. All in one, right? Pagsamba, pang-airport, travel.
Oh my god, guys. Where we go? Where we go?
Satu minit handagat. Teşekkür. Satu minit handagat.
A minute? I don't remember this. Oh my god, bro. My god. God. Gosh. think it's going to take a long time. It's already been 2 minutes. Oh my god, I need to get off camera. No, I'm not so tired. Actually, if I'm in the airport already or in the plane already. Okay, bye. Guys, we're now here and then we're just going to go. And then we have to wait still, so always pause. I pause. Let's go.
Wala tayong gate doon, di ba?
Saan tayo ngayon? No cellphone. Because no ka. Hindi na wala. Patikas na ulo. Magsi-cellphone.
I'll just up to up here now. Let's walkie. Yeah, imagination, let me go inside. Every simulation that in us by love. 24/7 for the 25 days. Honestly, are you okay? Looking to me, insane heavy mix. That's all you do. But it's too dinner. I'm good. I'm bullet. It's got plenty of peanuts. Thank you for the love.
Italia is there.
Huh?
We need to speak to watch. All of us. And, you know, ako ngayon,
Oh.
ko hospital. Because
Again?
some insect in their office bite her.
Okay, I'm going to do it off camera. By the way, I don't want to. I just want to begin the play. So spicy. So good. There's a charging. My mom said this. Oh my god, look, it's my dream come true. Have a TV. I want the TV. Ah, that's okay. It's okay too. Okay. Oh my god. I think open this window. It's not charging, but the plane is not opening yet. It's not flying, so oh my god. So cute. And this Indian actually is bye. I'll see you after eating. Hi guys, we're eating now. So let's eat. Look at water and this Indian food. Then my point and then a bun and then yogurt. Okay. See you at the Philippines in Manila. Bye. Guys, we're back. We're in another plane. And there's a TV. And they gave us a pillow and a blanket. Even earphones. This is yours, Mommy. They gave me this one. Okay, see you in Manila. Or eating. Hi guys, we're eating now. See you in Manila. Bye.
Guys, we wake up. I already woke up.
Hi guys, I'm back. And it's 1 hour and 45 minutes left. So I'll pause the video, and then when we're at the bus, I'll video. Bye! We're
Tapos,
here now. We just got off the plane. Let's go. Let's just wait in line. Let me just pause the video. Let's go. Let's go get the trolley and then wait for our security. Jolly! Yoo-hoo!
Lagyan mo muna tayo.
Ako? Oh, ayun, toilet. Oh. Salitan ko. Ayun, kailangan ko.
Look at that. So let's wait for
Wait.
him up
I need to
camera.
take something from him.
We walk to here.
Halika dito!
Because I didn't notice the video off by itself, but let's keep walking. Now let's wait for the case. We're gonna pause it for a moment. Now we got all of our suitcases. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Oh, mag-ihi lang ako. Saan?
What are we supposed to do now?
Ihi muna tayo. Sabay na. Magpaalam ka muna.
Go, so go. Go, so go. Let's go, so go. Daisy. By the way, I'm going to go back to school at September. That made me really sad because I like school.
You wanna read?
No. Wait, I gotta go to the bathroom. Hey guys, we're done using the bathroom now. I just read you up. I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's just walk. Go.
Tapos mag-hire tayo ng taxi. Iiwan mo kami dyan. Or any food. Ulam.
I'm really excited. I have a cat and 2 dogs. So excited, but my dog died. Oh, I like the dog. It's a white one. It's a girl. Maybe, I don't know. I think it's a girl. Oh yeah, it's a girl. Okay, let's go.
OFW Lounge. Sumisundo na sana tayo ngayon. Wala na, nakalarga na tayo.
Lean stocks? What are we going to do now?
Wait, ano yan o? Dyan.
Welcome to Attitude.
Ha?
Ayun, pwede pala.
So that's just a common way. Common way.
Ay, baka.
Okay, let me pause the video. Or maybe not. My choice. Not. What daddy going to do? I'll pause the video, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, we waited for a long time. And now I go. Seriously. I think the elevator should go. Finally, let's go! Let's go!
When you are walking, don't use the cell phone, okay?
Jollibee. 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 Okay, I think we're going to eat, so I need to pause it. Bye. Yeah. Hi guys, we're in the bus.
Dua GoPro yang ke bawah. GoPro 1 tak hanggang ke. Bakal yang GoPro.
Bong, dito tayo.
And that's
Saan kayo bababa? Po? Ay, tanong ko lang kung saan.
Dolphy. The party. By the way, I think this is the end of the video. So, bye. Or maybe it's not. I'm going to go to another place.